Asante Samatex etina Infantry Sports Arena esemu Ho United entini ante ba kokora Moses of etina fie Kwam Chase Sports Stadium Amansan Emma 11 Wonders etini emu ewo hono Young Apostles etina fie Lenti Sports Stadium Bako Emma Bekum Chelsea and Asha Bako say we any semi league no AC Echo service in the table no ACT maybe after 7 matches no maybe become with 16 points or Diama Tosu with 15 points Heart of Lions Etoso Nyansa 14 Samates Etoso a 9 13 points House of Folk Etoso a mean 13 points Gold Stars Etoso 13 points Carrera United Etoso and Soon 12 points. Young Apostles Etoso Mache 11 points. Omabo 6 matches over. Asante Kotoko Etoso and Kuna 9. Omabo 8 points. Omabo 4 matches. Yes, Omabo 3 matches are standing on number. However, United Etoso Edu with 8 points. This is FC Etoso Dubako 8 points on about 6 matches. Nations FC about Etoso Dunionu 12 or more about 7 matches are 8 points. And the Mosobo All Blacks Etoso 13. Our home matches is 6 points. And the more Betel United 14. And the Maba or the more 5 points. Bekum Chelsea Etoso 15. Our home matches 5 points. And the way and the Chatua Beans FC Etoso 16 4 points. And our about 7 matches in Norway 11 Wonders Etoso 17 or more 2 points. What best 7 matches now, but Sakari Stars or the catch with 2 points as 6 matches. And Omabo have my way and a Ghana Premier League table say in the city. And after the game, and then has to folk head coach Masoud Didi Dramani. What did you do after the game?
Oh, I think no. We definitely should have won the game. You know, hands down. First 15 minutes we should have we created some very decent opportunity chances. But I think we need to improve on our decision making in the final third to pick out the right options at our very decisive moments.
The first half was a different story. You played well, got a goal. What really happened in the second half? Because you seem to have capitulated.
No, I think even in the second half we still dominated play. We were playing the game in their half, and then we have always known that they will be very dangerous in terms of their transitional play. All the 2 goals were from transitional play.
And in summer House of Folk head coach will be at 2 down the first 15 minutes ago. And we make any game on my engineer. Aban's also behind the iron control. Or the way you know, House of Folk supporters need to come on. And also, we are very, very disappointed. We think some House of Folk.
Yeah. We keep on the for sorry phone by number 10. I know, Panama. It's not the very starts from. Come first one on the ball and the foul and the shares have to go through. To use it, keep an idea for so be anymore.
We ending some you need those stars for the so Edin come on so many other performance not players in between.
The morning they say, seriously, this time for once, a cool kakra. As a coach, you said that. First coaching the say even which I said my abam we say no na be no die chi krakra we say the mass here
we any some supporters ni be e out to the na basake any friends Heart of Lions game no man of the match Michael Elson when also ending same be to the after so no win treasure legends man we are able
yeah, we thank God for our win, our third win at home, and I guess we are the top now. We make sure we maintain the level, and as we are going away, we make sure we take the 3 points as well. Thank you.
I said thank you to any player, Michael Elson or the two. But I'm the Heart of Lions head coach Feno and Basil Hofo as we come out after so winning teams we must have to win more about work with players and
well, I think it has been a very good game. The way we wanted to destroy it, but it was okay. And then I think there's a very good reaction to what happened last Sunday at Monday at the VME. Also, the boys have to get a chance of recovering themselves so that it will motivate them into the next match. And I think it has been a very wonderful result.
Way any summer coach Bashi here for the no ayatene Emma Heart of Lions what do you after the last year I do to say you be a senior ya to be a national you went our Black Queens as well and Jnra and a qualifies in Egypt to say now multiple Egypt from Mama a Kenyan son or no entity after the game no now say another big guard hand or some the 10 match and I say so another way so we look training and penny for alcohol can mean answer or maybe 9,000 Ghana cedis each. I was a player bia and can remember comedy among into a moot and nothing to Coco, Eddie champion forces or man just as he cannot far more some more on Baba Party at the back of my born and my body away GF penny for any ministry every master so more and training a man is that or moon training away any in some if you Black Queens not say Abekan and so on my say you a cake prepare with him and as well as ebi dwuma biere ebe so so quality roofing sheet papa dia we won okay the price here to say on Ghana had them be bia you say them dey watch akwan ni bi and some dem show ni bi abepiem ewe ebuaka the traffic light no na one filling station no and the dem hope alozik roofing sheet be 4 5 6 solid I'll be a roofing sheet I'll be a roofing nose on 9 3 and 4 inches. Maybe sa practice to put KK people so here next one chance papa will pay me every board and so dey na so and I be do my number 0243 255 309 0243 255 309 me say so be 0243 255 309 when okay people so here we do chance papa for board and so and na do aho do ni so about our favor and air to inside every floor na no pay omo transit bus stop on money Methodist Church Junction and ebi admiration carry an important milk and sabun kunsu a Ultra Junction ho and our of favor multimedia omo assassin film patron pasetia and the chiro so na about transit bus stop a we send function for me no Methodist Church Junction we say kwakete kwana obecha our of favor so we do no omo photocopy typing lamination invoice ahodo receipt na the online registration banners akese na nketwa posters akese na nketwa where the new year bring ahodo omo t-shirt ahodo eche ene caps ahodo ko so mo design the one on dey na na passport picture no mucha picture frame na da dem no ye so ma da ye mi enche na pesa mo chama sase the dia area yen sase media building plan na dey no omo draw iron kama ebe amaje se dey open we dey no when sa ebe ka when our favor multimedia so ye the number na mo ntwetwe komo na just the here bia no we no mo komo 0555 491165 0555 491165 and now 0545 959035 0545 959035 one our favor so I'm not twice I'm not Methodist Church Junction and a deal me maybe sa krakra na obeche na se bibia aye enkoso e de amana fere community hospital and air to nsafo na se oyare ho nsam ha de fewem e wa fere community hospital so na se no ye omo hwe bibia se na mapa na ye tietiem e de ma insurance me ye e bibia kama e de ma hemfa na ye ti o hene wa so bibia ye bia na yare bia tena so acha we de tim sen ko wem e wa fere community hospital na hwe ne bibia emfa ma otra fere kroma je se we fe bua kwa ene mpatam na da otra fere kroma se di fa so wem no wona Ejapataos and a bang. As a whole community go on man behe eduma kama ede marifin carriers on a buy sabun kumso on behe nese Ultra military hospital na wa and na omo watch on behe bia kama ede number no